This is the funniest thing ever.
I can't hold the camera straight.
He's so pissed off.
I'm so glad I got that on film. Oh, what's gonna happen?
Oh, there's the torch on the ground. Oh, did he show us?
Oh no, where did the laser go?
It's building again.
This is so funny. How drunk are you, Brendan, on a scale of 1 to 10?
5, 6.
Oh no, where'd the laser
tipsy right now though.
Huh?
Still quite tipsy. There it is again. They've like given up on caring, eh?
Look, they're getting angry.
Oh, the bulb.
I can't handle this. This laughter's painful.
It's like playing with cats, but they're people.
No, they're like the cat, and they're the dog. I want to call them and tell them about that poor lady, they're following. Look at this.
What are they in 10:15?
Yeah. Tell them we're filming it. Uh-oh, they saw us. Where did it go?
Hello? It's Adam. Hello, who's by the window? Because, can you please let them know that this is the most hilarious thing we've ever seen?
We're filming it.
Just go to the window and watch. It's so funny. You did the window? I don't know. Somebody has a laser. And they're shining it on people. And they're getting really angry. And it's so funny.
And we're filming it.
Is it your room? Okay. Give them my regards. Okay. Bye.
Okay, I think that's enough.